Hello everyone, myself Umesh Nakthane and my groupmate name is Viraj Deshmukh, and I am going to present our DIP project topic face detection using digital image processing, and our project is guided by Nutan Bansode ma'am. This is the content of our presentation. In this 8 topics are covered. First of all, what is face detection? Face detection is all about the matching a right person image or a particular video. If you are taking a particular video, then if we are capturing one particular image from that video, so we have to detect a particular right image from that video. The face detection techniques contain implicit or pattern based, or second technique is explicit or knowledge based. Later on, if in the face detection technique, first of all we have to know what is segmentation. Segmentation is all about the partitioning a particular image. Means if we are taking a particular image, then we have to partitioning that particular image into parts. Let us take one example. If we are taking a particular person face image, then we are partitioning that image into a eyes part, means rectangular, square, etc. So in this image, I have taken one image as an example, a person who is standing in the sport field. Then we are capturing the different images from different angles. So image segmentation is done from that image. So segmentation methods are of three types: threshold, edge based, and region based. Threshold is all about the transformation of input image from the output to the output. And here we are taking one example of a tree who is standing, and then after the segmentation done, the threshold image is looks like this. Second method is edge based segmentation. Edge based segmentation is done in the areas where intensity is strong, and that intensity directly jump from one pixel to the next pixel. Here when we are taking one example of one image of a dog, after edge based segmentation the dog image will look like this, and next image is of a girl who is carrying one flower in his hand. After the edge based segmentation, the flower image is clearly visible from, but the face is not clearly so visible. Face detection techniques are first type is implementation of pattern base. In this, first of all, we have to need template, PCA, principal component analysis, and linear discriminant analysis. Fourth one needed is neural network and support vector machines, and last is independent component analysis. In this we are taking one example of a face of a particular person. Then actually our face looks like this. When you are capturing that particular part wise, then the PDM template will looks like this. And when we are ratio template potential, then it will forms a blur image actually due to the person face is blur. Second method is explicit or knowledge based. In this, color, motion, face, geometry, facial feature information is needed, and varied techniques used in this method is face contours, facial features, motion detection, and color. Here we are taking one image of a woman. After the face contour, the image will looks like this. The facial part is become somewhat white and somewhat dark spots. So human skin color based face detection is done by this following formulas: y equal to and CB and CR formulas. Actually CB RGB color format is used because the red, green and blue are mostly used colors in this techniques, face detection technique. So in this we are taking the rectangular base image using face detection. Here we are taking one original image, and from that rectangular part the image is captured. So advantages of our face detection technique is the method is not much time consuming, and it will be much necessary in many big companies, schools, colleges, as the colleges need to find a particular student from his face data, and the public are already aware of this capture and use for identity verification purpose. The face detection becomes very much necessary. One of the disadvantages of face detection is when the image is captured in lightning, so that particular image is becomes so blur, so person hair eye is not clearly visible. So conclusion from this is segmentation is all about the partitioning that particular image in different parts, and face detection using human skin color is described by this face detection technique. After having worked on these two things, really impressed me a lot, and we are finding a particular person by this face detection technique. This is our reference of our project. We are using 3 websites for this, and 2 books and 1 paper by the Rafael Gonzalez and Richard Woods. Thank you.